That's a duck. That's a duck.
The ducks you gotta watch out for. They're amazing flamingos.
Okay, go with Mama Linda. Go with Mama Linda. If you're scared, just go to somebody.
Yeah, we're okay. You're okay. I'm right here. Nobody's going to hurt you with Mama Linda here. Look at the duck. He's a duck. He is a duck. What's a duck say? Quack. Quack, quack. What's that flamingo say? Honk, honk, honk. He sounds like a car. Honk, honk. Yeah, it's perfectly okay. Mama Linda's right here. Yeah, really good. That's a duck. Duck, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
This guy's on the move.
There's a flamingo.
He's single 03.
What a good girl. Yeah. Where'd Nanny go?
They all got itches.
Itching.
They all got bugs.
Look at that bird. Look at them mingoes. Look at mingoes eating out of Grammy's hand. And the ducks. The ducks go quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Ducks.
Yeah, it's pretty weird being this way.
Yeah, it's intense, I'm sure.